Let's face it, paying $100 a year just to edit a document or spreadsheet feels unnecessary, especially when there are so many legal ways to get Microsoft Office for free. If you're ready to ditch the subscription, but still want full-featured tools, you're in the right place. Here are 6 practical, legit ways to access Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more without cracking your wallet. Start with convenience. The Microsoft 365 mobile app, available on both iOS and Android, offers free access to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Whether you're editing on your commute or checking a document in a cafe, you'll have all the essential features in your pocket. A few premium perks are paid only, but everything you need for class or work is there, free, making your tasks easier and more manageable. If you're at a school, you're in luck. Microsoft offers complete unlimited Office access at zero cost to verified students and teachers. Just sign up with your school email and you're set. No trials and no hidden costs. If you run into any snags, your school's IT team can help you get on board. If you hate installing apps, go browser-based. Microsoft's Office on the web delivers Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and more across all major operating systems. Features are streamlined, and your documents are automatically saved to OneDrive. Need a local copy? Download anytime with a click. If you are planning to get a new laptop or desktop soon, keep an eye out for bundle offers. Many computers come with a complimentary 1-year subscription to Microsoft 365. Personal. It's a smart way to save up front and get all the latest desktop versions of Office, helping you make a cost-effective decision. Sometimes, a trial is all you need. Microsoft's month-long family and business plan trials give you full access to all apps and 1 terabyte of cloud storage. Just remember to cancel before the renewal if you don't want to be charged. The process is easy within your Microsoft account dashboard. If you already know someone with a subscription, get them to add you to their Microsoft Family Plan. It's simple. Each subscription supports several users, unlocking Office for everyone and 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage each. And there you have it, Microsoft Office, free and legal, no matter your needs or devices. Whether you're a student, on-the-go worker, or need to save money, there's an option for you. Up next, discover the 10 free programs you need to make your PC work smarter. Click for the walkthrough, and if you found this guide helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more essential tech tips. Thanks for watching.